Hey guys, this is Codemore coming back with a new video. Today we'll be walking through how to add an ad blocker to your Chrome browser. What we will be doing is adding a Chrome extension. It's gonna allow you to browse the internet and most ads won't be able to pop up when you go to your favorite websites. I already have it installed, so first I'll show you what it looks like and how it works. So if you guys see this little stop sign icon with the white hand, this is the Chrome extension. So if I go to a site where I would see a bunch of ads, like go to Bloomberg.com for example, if you look at the top right of your browser, you'll see that ads are already beginning to be blocked, and it notifies you the count of how many ads have been blocked. So if I click on the icon, I can see that 13 ads have been blocked on this page. It's pretty convenient, it's pretty nice to have. Sometimes when I'm browsing the internet, I'll have an ad pop up and block part of the website that I'm trying to see, which just gets pretty annoying. So this resolves most of the issues. It would also block most of the ads that you would get when you're browsing, when you're watching or streaming videos. Okay, so to start off, what I'm going to do is go to my Chrome extensions and I'm going to remove the extension, and I'm going to show you how to get it from scratch. So I'm just going to do this pretty quickly. I'm just removing it. So now it's gone. Now that it's gone, we will start. So the first thing we will do is Google search get ad block, one word. The first thing that should pop up is surf the web without getting annoying, pop-ups and ads. So we're gonna click that. And we're gonna click get ad block now. So this will take us to the Chrome web extension. It's important that you're on this browser too. There's probably slightly different ways of how to get it on Safari or Internet Explorer. If you guys want videos on how to do that, just let me know in the comments. All right, so once you're on this page, you're gonna go and click add to Chrome on the top right. Just gonna let you know what's happening. We're gonna hit add extension. And as this loads up, so it's going to ask you to donate it. This is a free service, so this isn't necessary. So you can go ahead and exit out this page as AdBlock is already installed. So we will go ahead and click X on this. And you see on the top right, we have the sign again, and it's ready to go. So there's no ads being displayed on this. If we go to, let's say, CNN.com, as soon as you load up the site, it begins blocking ads on the page. And yeah, that's it. It's pretty simple. If you guys like this video, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel. So if you guys want to see more tutorials, if there's any type of tutorials that you want to see, go ahead and like this video. Leave me a comment and subscribe.